Okay, this is called Rua do Capão. So we're basically gonna walk up it. But there's also all these little alleys in this area too, because they're selling all these used goods and stuff like that. So we're gonna kind of go sneak in a little bit and check it all out, and then walk up the street. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua do Capão. So we are going to walk down that street, but before we do, I just want to capture this area first. So what we're going to do first is we're going to come in and just kind of show you they have all these used TVs, so they'll fix everything and you can buy it used. Actually, I bought a TV and a washing machine in this area, and both of them I still have them. I bought them when I first got here about 8 years ago, and I still have them now too. Today's date. Okay, so we're gonna go down this little beco, and you can also see some of the used goods over on that side too, backside, but it's kind of open a little bit, so yeah, that's what they're doing. Hello, hello, how are you doing? All right, it's gonna be a good street right here. So we're on a different beco, but it's gonna tie you into the other one anyways. Yeah, you can buy all these used goods here. Beco de Cavallo. You can also exercise in this area. Let's see what that. Hello. It's cool. Oh, look at that. It's cool. Okay. Cheers. Okay, so let's so we're gonna come on through here a little bit. So I think it's a Beco de Cavallo, which is a little bit different. I think they're playing mahjong in here. And you got exercise equipment in here. Kind of got all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. Let's see if we can. Okay, let's keep on strolling through. So you can buy all kinds of used goods here, TVs, refrigerators, washing machines. And then the street names kind of change quite a bit, so so I think I'm going to try to go up to the main street, go back to the main street. Let's see if we can. The main street's up that way. Okay. There's just a lot of kind of cool imagery to catch everywhere around here. So we're going to head back this way. And you can buy shoes here too. So crowded in this area, but it's a good area. So let me just see here. So this is going to be all the way up to Rua do Capão, which is kind of where we're at right here, Rua do Capão. But as you can see, there's a lot to film in this spot. If you keep going, I think we'll just go down to just a regular street. So I think it's more interesting just to stay in this area. And we didn't walk down this space, down the main street, so we'll do that now. That's the clothing there. And that goes back into the alley again, down that way. It's all kinds of cool stuff in this little space. And we're gonna have a beautiful temple as well. There we go. So we're gonna come up out this way. So this is where we started at. We're going across here.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.